your mark, ready, set, let's go.
Yeah, baby.
On your mark, ready, set, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to swing, baby. Yeah.
Getting jiggy with it.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's freedom, baby. Yeah.
Getting jiggy with it.
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Getting jiggy with it.
Smashing, baby.
The count of three. I want everybody the place to be. To make some noise if you're down with me. 1, 2, 3.
Rock your body. What?
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Finds a little pornography mixed in with the regular fare of ordinary computer network bulletin boards.
Experience helps you get the information you want, when you want it, right from your family room or kitchen. How about the latest sports scores?
Oh, cool. The Maple Leafs.
Use your computer to communicate, have fun, and get instant news and information.
Flowers are
creating the internet.
And it's very, very fast.
Take it as much for granted as we take the telephone.
I wonder though, what sort of a life would it be like in social?
Keep Bell South's lines reliable.
Not quite being truthful.
In court, the government showed Gates on screen, denying any knowledge.
Just ask your parents before going online.
Trapped a yearning to connect, to talk with the world about art, music, sex, guitar construction, conservative.
Surged since 1995.
Yeah, that's a pretty good story.
Business Week editor Stephen Shepard is a longtime New.
It's on eBay.
Now Conan's taking each other and fell in love on the internet through a service called Match.com.
And I just happened to
Market for virtual reality centers. This is more than just one marriage. There are a couple of them here. To the companies that got together, Joe's fantasy, as they described.
I have to tell you, the first is you can tell the difference between men and women online.
How?
And no matter what name they're using, the language is very different.
Yahoo?
Let's talk a little bit now about direct connections to.
According to experts, 150,000 of them are addicts.
You've got mail.
The average user logs on 7 hours a week, but
If it has anything to do with high tech, it's here. Not to mention cool people.
think if she knew you were doing this.
On Sonoma Player's homepage and simply select an item of interest, and when
computers, software, scientific data, sound and video files, any digital information your computer can understand.
Popular. It's no wonder so many people found GennyCam so interesting, even during the most mundane.
That it wasn't going to go, this thing about two virgins going to have sex. I knew that was a load of crap from the very beginning, and it turned out it was. It was a scam. It was.
She's my agent. Just a second.
Welcome to Movie Phone. Brought to you by.
To express your personal vision.
At Monster.
Interaction is being able to go in with a group of friends now that have built up in a community that happens to be on cyberspace as opposed to maybe.
With a totally rebuilt site.
Log on to monster.com.
Monster.com.
Movie Phone.
Welcome to Movie Phone.
Turn off a person. On the internet, you can. And I wonder if this does...
Homepage up here, and just sort of let's play with it for a while and see how we would do something, browse the web here using it.
Well, this is a communicator information.
It has come a long way since the 60s. That's when it was set up by the Defense Department to exchange complex data. Internet is now experimenting with...
The cult movie of the...
Everyone I know is
on it.
We've spent over $1 billion to create a state-of-the-art high-speed network, and with 56K, connections are faster than ever.
It's the ultimate.
Parents, play whatever role you want.
There's got to be something new, something that
International long-distance rates of racing. Diego, and there are colorful interactive science features.
Sign on to our smart poll.
Prodigy connects your computer.
It's my last bug. When I complete this bug, I will be allowed to rest. So I stayed up until...
Found a recipe for cat food cupcakes.
I don't know, maybe. Close or close. What's your point?
Are you alright? God, have you even left this thing since I last saw you?
David, I'm
Most exciting. The premiere for his film, The River Wild. Bacon commented on how he's worked with almost every...
You don't need a computer.
free 7 days a week.
You're right, this is easy.
Somewhat the same. You can't reach inside the screen to move things in your computer, but you can use the mouse. Treat the mouse button as if it were hot.
Oh, and can that baby dance?
Donald Williams, and they start programming. On November 15th, 1999, Neopets.com launches.
But here's one from someone who's seeking help on the Northwest forest fires. And he says he's just looking for information, and I can click here and see.
I need to do a school project on ancient Egypt. Would they have anything on it under countries? Let's see. First we check.
Network, called the World Wide Web, invented in 1989 by an English scientist called Tim Berners-Lee.
Having grown up with this kind of...
became a kind of obsession. They were called day traders, and they started making the stock market look like a low-rent casino.
Stein in Oslo. There are no borders on the internet, color, age, and...
early development stages. But these first responders already recognize its unique value as a training tool.
When my first accident scene, I was definitely a little... things like that, so it was a lot of fun. Currently, it's an unwritten policy, but we're probably going to publish it as...
Jane's vile stranglehold.
NASDAQ is pumping. Why don't we have a price?
Refresh your page.
Well, here we are. We've successfully made the connection with Prodigy's computer.
Wide Web about whatever you're watching. And
phone links by the year 2010.
Hi, Mike. What's up?
It's already coming true. In Cerritos, California, video phone service is $50 a month.
To get connected, you need a computer and a modem.
A modem typically costs from $50 to $300, and many now come with a...
Win a Clio, a Telly, be in the One Show. I want to win an Addy and be the envy of all my friends. The bill's necessary information. The user selects the denomination of the bill they received. They also...
Shop girl. Don't cry.
I wanted it to be...
BCNews.com. It'll be in partnership with America Online.
Exciting.
Like Prodigy, America Online, the Internet. They're playing games with each other. They're exchanging...
Word monster. And now, Popular Culture presents What's In and What's Out.
On your mark, ready, set, let's go. Yeah, baby. On your mark, ready, set, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go.